Hello friends, welcome to JavaEE Servlet tutorial. So this is part 2 of the video for Servlet Context. So in this demo, let us create all the HTML files required for the demo. In the next part, we will create the servlets. So let's look at the navigations. So this one is actually a servlet. From stock management home, user can navigate to SC purchase. So this is an HTML file, or they can go to SC sales. Using SC purchase, they can purchase a specific product. Using SC sales, we can sell some product. The stock in hand is actually a servlet which displays what is the current stack which is in the hand for the specific product. SCon purchase and SCon sales, these two are also a servlet. So totally you are seeing 3 servlet. One is a stock in hand, SCon purchase and SCon sales. So from stock management.html, so this will be our home page. From there we can reach to SCon purchase HTML or SC sales, or we can directly invoke the stock in hand which displays a current stock. So from purchase, there is a underlying server side code, that's a servlet, which will increase the stack, and this one will decrement the stack. So we will also have a link that will go back to the home page. Actually, we can go from here. Let's cancel this. So from all the servlet, we can go back to the home page. All right. So in this example, we will look at HTML creation. We will create a SC purchase, SC sales, as well as a stock management home. So in the next video, we will create all these 3 servlets. So using the servlet context, all these will write to a single variable called stack or stock in hand. We will create that variable when we go to servlet creation, but there will be one variable that will get stored inside the servlet context. So all these servlet will write into the same object which is in the servlet context. So this will make you understand how the servlet context is shared between all these 3 servlets. Let's open Eclipse Neon. So this is our existing example. First we will create the home page. So this is our home page. We say stock manager home, and we create our link. So first we provided the link for stock in hand. This is the servlet that can be reached directly from the home. Then to make sales and purchase, we have two more hyperlink. So that's the content of our home page. So next we create SE purchase HTML. So here, if you see, we have a header title purchase product. Then we opened a form. The form contains two elements. One is to receive input from the user, and another one is a submit button. And this sepurchase.html can be reached from our stock manager home. So here is the link for SE purchase. Next, we create our third HTML file. So now we have sesales.html. Here we have content to sell the product, and it is similar to the previous sepurchase.html. It has a form, input field to take the text from the user, which is the quantity. Next, there is a submit button. Alright, now we will start our Wildfly server. So the server is started. Now we will run our stock manager home. So you can see our stack manager home is having 3 links. Current stack won't work because this is a servlet which is not yet ready. So this is the page for selling the product. User can enter quantity and they can submit it. So this SE sales will contact the servlet which will run in the server. So that servlet is not yet created. We will create that in the next video. So here we are purchasing the product one. So the sepurchase.html will submit the action to a corresponding servlet. So all 3 servlet we will create in the next video. So if you see in the demo, we created stock management.html. Then we created sepurchase.html. Finally, we created sesales.html. So these servlets we will create in the next video. So when we go to this servlet creation part, you will completely understand what is servlet context. that's all here in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.